What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see in front of me today, we are going to be installing some crossbars on the Impreza. Now this installation shouldn't take us very long. It's pretty straightforward. We have both our crossbars. We also have some rubber grommets that sit underneath the crossbars, obviously to help protect the paint and stuff like that. And we do have our hardware kit, which comes with 4 bolts and some instructions, and that's about it. So if you guys are interested in purchasing these for your Impreza, I will leave them linked in the description for you guys to buy them and check them out for yourself. Now these look pretty cool, but make these look even better.
Well, we're waiting.
I think we're gonna black these out. I blacked them out on the Mazda. They came out really good. I think we're gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna go ahead and take these over to paint real quick, and we will be right back.
One eternity later.
And here we have them, guys. These are the crossbars painted. I just went in and spray painted them. So the color that I went with was satin black. I didn't want it like super glossy, but a nice satin finish. I didn't really want it matte. Nice satin finish to complement the rest of the car. That's what you're looking at. If you wanna go ahead, if you're not a big fan of the silver, black them out. I think it's gonna look really good. Now, we can just go to the installations. So first things first, what we're gonna wanna do is pop open this little flap. That'll expose this T30. We're gonna use the provided T30 tool, and we're gonna remove this top cap. And that slides right off. So with the skull cap removed, we now have access to mount these to our car. So let's go ahead and hop over to the car and get these installed. So here we are at the top of the vehicle, guys. Now we do have this running weather strip right here. Now Subaru actually makes this very simple for us. They went ahead and provided these little square tabs for us to just pop open like this, and you have exposed drill points for when you're mounting your crossbars. What I recommend you do is go ahead and put a towel down. That way you don't scratch anything on your roof. So we're gonna run that across. Now this first crossbar is gonna be the longest one that is provided. You're gonna take your rubber grommet, stick it up in here, make sure it connects fully, and then you're just gonna let it chill right there and do the same thing on the other side. Also guys, just a real quick note, if you're unsure about which rubber grommet, I spent like the past few minutes trying to figure out which one goes to which thing. They're actually labeled on the inside. It'll say, like this one for example, says front right, and it shows which way it's supposed to face forward. So just a little food for thought. So now that we have them where we need them, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of the provided bolts, stick it through one of these holes, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna line it up with the forwardmost hole. Then we're gonna take our provided T30 tool and start tightening down. Don't tighten down all the way, just snug it, because we're gonna need to go ahead and line up the other side as well. And then after you got those torqued down, just wanna make sure that it's in place. It's in place, not going anywhere. We're gonna go ahead and reinstall the Subaru cap. And the instructions say to just torque this down to about 30 foot-pounds, which is pretty close to hand tight. Go ahead and pop the cap back in place. And there you have it, guys. That's pretty much the installation complete. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the back one. We'll see you at the very end. And there you have it, guys. That is the installation complete of some crossbars on your Subaru Impreza. Installation was pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Didn't take us too long. The longest part for me personally was just painting them black. But if you're thinking about painting them black or wrapping them black, I highly recommend you do it. So for those of you that are gonna ask, I went ahead and installed my Yakima High Road bike rack. I will leave that linked in the description, as well as these OEM crossbars. I'll leave everything used in the video in the description down below for you guys to buy and check out for yourself. So that's it for me today, guys. We'll catch you in the next Subaru video. Peace.